Welcome to Ruby Baking Championship Sister Edition. There's going to be a team. Who's the first baker here standing on the stool?
Me.
What's me's name?
Ruby.
All right. Former champion. How about the other kid over here?
I'm Kate.
All right, yay! And what are we're starting to gather our ingredients. We're gonna make some scones today with strawberries for a Valentine's party. All right, so let's start gathering our ingredients. All right, Ruby, we've gathered the
Butter.
ingredients. And now what are we doing, Kate?
We're cutting 6 tablespoons of butter into chunks.
All right. Wait, you probably just take the wrapper off.
No, it's easier to cut it with the wrapper on.
No, take the wrapper off.
Okay.
All right, now Ruby, we've already preheated the
Oven.
And what shape are we gonna make these into?
We are going to make them into hearts for Valentine's.
Yeah. All right. Keep up the good work, girls. We'll check on you in a little bit. Okay, Baker, we're gonna put in some ingredients, huh?
Yeah.
What's that right there you have?
Flour.
All right, put it in. Into the what? What is that thing called?
Food processor.
Okay, and then, okay. What's that, Kate, she just put in?
Baking powder.
Okay. Then what? Salt, all right. And then some more flour. Oh, yep, that's okay. That part doesn't count. All right. Good job. Good job, bakers. Woohoo! Oh, yeah, we got to put some butter in.
What?
All right.
It goes in
It's a
separate.
good thing Kate read the instructions. All right, bakers, good job. All right, now what?
So now we're going to process our first 4 ingredients in the food processor until the butter is about the size of a pea. Okay, so
All
we're
right.
gonna click pulse.
Wow.
Now we check on it.
I'm pretty sure you got to do it more than that.
Now we gotta check on it. Can somebody hand me a spoon, please?
That's not very much. You got to do it more than that, huh?
It's just until the butter's the size of a pea. You never want to overmix something.
Oh. All right. Now, are you supposed to taste it now, Ruby?
No.
Okay, butter's mixed up.
No,
All right.
I see it.
Added together, so now we can put it in a bigger bowl.
All right. The baker's doing now.
We're transferring our blended ingredients into a mixing bowl so we can add the recipe.
Oh. That's a fancy mixer and 2 fancy bakers. All right. All right, girls. Now what, Kate?
It says to add the sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar and a 1/3 cup of sugar.
All right. Ruby, do you like sugar?
A little bit.
A little bit. A
Sugar
third
is yummy.
is yummy. Well, remember, we're not supposed to eat it. We're supposed to mix it. All right. Good job. Now what? Bakers.
2 ounces softened cream cheese.
Ah, we've been softening it.
Okay, so we gotta cut it first, like the butter.
Oh, okay. All right. We'll come back to that later. Okay. What's next? What is this stuff? Don't... Yeah. What is this stuff?
Vanilla.
Oh, vanilla what?
But that's vanilla.
Vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract.
All right. And we got another baker over here getting our eggs ready for you, Ruby. Can you put the eggs in there?
Okay, I will.
All right. Sister Baker was a big helper. All right. Good. We got the eggs in there. All right. Now what?
The half and half.
Okay, the half and half. How much half and half? Remember to double it.
8 tablespoons.
8
All right. 8 tablespoons. All right, we'll work on that.
Mom,
Baker, what are you putting in there now?
half and half.
Oh, all right. That's going to make it creamy. All right. Say, hey,
Hey.
love you.
Love you.
What language is that?
Not a language, English.
Okay. All right. Turn it on to stir, honey. Just a little bit. Is it going? Is it plugged in?
Nope, nope.
Oh. All right. Let's make sure we're not on super stir when you plug it in. Oh, now it's working. All right, Baker. All right. Is it looking like it's working?
Yep.
Are you ready to start tasting it?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. What else do you think needs to go in there that we haven't put in there yet?
Strawberries.
Strawberries, because what holiday is it we're baking for?
Valentine.
Look at the camera and smile. All right, Baker. What are you doing over here?
Dicing strawberries.
All right. How many do we need?
Well, originally in the recipe it says 3/4 cup, but we're doubling it, so that's 1.5 cups.
All right. So 7 cups of strawberries, it sounds like.
1.5.
Okay. How much almond extract do we need?
Absolutely none.
Oh, okay. What if we only had a cup of strawberries? Could we use some oranges or lemons?
You probably need to use something that's just as juicy as the strawberries. Or
Okay.
just find a different recipe.
Okay. Okay, now we're ready to fold in the strawberries, but what are we going to do with the mixing thing?
We're gonna take it off and we're gonna lick it.
All right. You go lick that and let Kate fold in the strawberries. Fold is some kind of fancy word.
It's where you gently stir in the strawberries so they don't get smushed.
Oh, I see. Ruby, how's that taste?
We're gonna need a spoon.
All right, why don't you step away from the strawberries while you're licking? All right.
You can roll it half and half in?
Yeah. Of course. What are we doing now? Are we going to make the chocolate chip cookies now?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We are putting the dough on
Smush
here.
those strawberries back in.
Let's do strawberries.
Don't smush them. Gently smush them. All right, now go ahead and start spreading it out. You don't need it in a big pile like that if you're going to be using a roller.
And we put a little flour on top.
We've already got, oh, no. We've already got some flour. I already put flour all over it. All right, roll that baby out.
Strawberries, please.
You need to put flour on the rolling pin.
Okay, here you go. All right. These guys are experts.
Yeah, we're experts. That's
Yeah.
a great way to say it.
This is the Ruby Baking Championship Expert Edition. All right.
Yeah, if you want to try it out, then you can.
Oh, you can. Where do they need to send their applications?
To the Kate. You send it with $20 to the Kate Baking Accord.
All right. Sounds good. $20 entry fee, and we will consider eating your food. All right. Thank you very much.